we are looking to find the short side now using our rules that we found by rearranging Pythagoras' theorem. So here's his normal one to find the hypotenuse, and here are our two if we are finding shorter sides. All right. Okay, I've drawn my triangle. I'm about to label my sides so I can pick my rule. So I've drawn my triangle. I've got my right angle. So I know that this is my hypotenuse. Now, normally we're finding it. This time we're not. We're finding a different side. So here's my flat side. I'm going to call it A. So that means what I'm missing is my B. So I need to choose my rule because I've drawn my triangle, labelled my side. Now I choose my rule. Looks like this one's finding A and this one is finding B. So I'm going to choose this one. So B squared equals C squared minus A squared. Now the same thing applies. We have to, instead of using letters, we have to use the numbers. So B squared we don't know. It stays until later on. We do have a C value. Okay, now C value is 10. We do have an A value, and that is 6. And so now we can keep working with our numbers. 10 squared, or 10 times 10, is 100. 6 squared, or 6 times 6, is 36. So we can keep going down these lines of working. If you notice how I keep setting up my equal signs all down in a line. B squared equals 100, take 36. I did use my calculator and it did give me 64. And in the same way that we reverse the squared sign by using the square root symbol, we do it in these equations as well. All right, so to find our normal B, we have to square root 64, and the square root of 64 meaning which two numbers multiply together to give 64 is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. But again, have to finish it off. Here are my units. So B, or this length here, is 8 meters. Let's do the exact same thing with this triangle now. We have drawn our triangle, we label our sides, and then we pick a rule. Draw my triangle, here's my right angle, here's my hypotenuse, which makes it C. This one's my flat one, I'm going to make it A. Means B is missing, so once again, we need to use our B. So B squared equals C squared minus A squared. We substitute our numbers in, okay? So we don't have B yet. C is 15. A is 4. I did get a calculator. I just prepared it a bit earlier. Okay, so I'm going to read my paper. 15 squared is 225, and 4 times 4 is 16. So 225 take away 16 gives us 209. Now that's not a number I know off the top of my head. I do need to find my calculator. We are going to square root, so B squared and 209 to find regular old B. And regular old B, my calculator told me was 14.46. And that very last step we always do is look at what we got and add it to the bottom. All right, so that is to find short sides that aren't the hypotenuse.